Hello, in this video we are going to see how to integrate the account of a new consultant in moreabout with his or her Google Calendar. If we are going to integrate his Google Calendar with Bookly, that is a tool that makes the appointments, that creates sessions for moreabout, we are going to see that a link for a new session is going to be automatically created. So here, let's test for a new consultant called Testing MA, Testing Moreabout. Here we have the profile of the new consultant, and then we need to sign in with the Google account of the consultant, because this way we are going to allow a Google Calendar integration. So here we are going to choose to sign in for Testing MA, then we are going to allow access to Moreabout. We see that this app was not verified yet, so we need to click in Advanced, and then to agree that we go to moreabout, even that's still unsafe because it was not confirmed by Google yet. Now you see that moreabout wants access to your Google account, and moreabout needs this access to be able to create new events on your calendar, so to schedule new sessions with a client every time that the client books a session with you. And then giving this access to your Google account to moreabout, a link to a new session will be automatically created, and this link is going to be shared with the client and with you, the consultant. And the host of the new session is going to be the consultant. So the session can only be started if the consultant logs in with the same email that here is going to give access to moreabout, access to the Google account. Here you can see what moreabout needs from your account. You can see the service, and moreabout needs this access to see, edit, share, and permanently delete all the calendars you can access using Google Calendar. So you need to agree with this by clicking on Continue. And now you can see that moreabout will have access to the calendar of the consultant, because now by clicking here on calendar, we see the email that was just integrated, that just gave access to moreabout to change and to edit its calendar. We also need to put here the time zone of the consultant. For instance, in my case, if I'm in Amsterdam, I'm going to look here, Europe, Amsterdam, because the time zone of the consultant needs to be converted to the time zone of the website. So once we add the time zone of the consultant, we are not going to have any problem, and then it's saved.